Next, you will notice that we have got a 3-digit number, which we're going to multiply by a 2-digit number. Again, we're going to use the column and R multiplication method, which is identified again by the multiplication operation sign being towards the left of the calculation, but not in the calculation. That's a really important distinction. Make sure it's a couple of spaces to the left. Also, because we are multiplying by 2-digit numbers, it's really important that you have one row for calculating the ones, which we will in a moment, and a second row for calculating the tens. If it was a 3-digit number you were multiplying by as well, you would need an additional row. We might show you that in another video later on. So 3 multiplied by 6 gives us 18. So I'm going to record that 8 ones there, and I'm going to carry over that 110 from the 18 under the tens column, because I'm going to add that shortly in a moment. What I like to do, boys and girls, I like to dot so I can keep track of which digits I've multiplied and which, if they're blank, that I haven't. So now I'm going to multiply 3 by 4 tens, and that's going to give me 12 tens, but I need to add the additional 110 to give me 13 tens. So the 3 goes there, and I carry that 100 over to the hundreds column, just like that. Dot that there. Now I need to multiply 3 by 500. That will give me 1500, but I've got an additional 100 here, which will give me 1600. So make sure I line up the digits accurately. You will notice that I've recorded that 1000 digit here simply because there are no digits left to multiply, so I'm safe in recording it in the answer box. Again, we go over to the right hand side and we count 1, 2, 3. 3 place value places to the left, and we can safely put in a comma to indicate it's 1638. Now, you will notice that I've used a different colour here, selected a different colour I should say, because I'm going to show you why it's important to put your second digit below. As you will notice, this is actually 2 tens, so straight away I need to put a 0 as a placeholder here in the ones, because each of the digit places are going to shift 1 place to the left because I'm multiplying by a multiple of 10, 2 tens. Now 2 tens, which is 20, so 2 tens multiplied by 6 ones will give me 120. 12 ones, there we go, over to there, and I'm now going to carry that 100. I'm going to place it in the hundreds column just like that. I can tick that now because I've now multiplied the 6 by the 3 and I've multiplied it by the 20 as well. 20 multiplied by 40 will give me 800, but I've got the additional 100 here which I need to include, so that will become 900. Again, make sure it's lined up correctly in the correct column. I could tick that off now. Finally, 20 multiplied by 50 will give me 10,000. Start from the right, 1, 2, 3, 3 place values to the left. I can put my comma in, so that will give me 10,000. I can tick it off. Now, boys and girls, what I need to do here is I need to add, as I need to recombine the numbers because I've partitioned them as I've multiplied by the 3 and then by the 20, the 2 tens. I need to add them back together. 8 add 0, obviously give us 8, make it really bold and clear. 30 add 20 will give me 50. Again, make sure you're lining up the digits in the correct column. 900 add 600 will give me 1,500. So I place the 500 in the hundreds column, and then I'll go over and I'll carry that 1,000 there. 1,000 add 0,000 add 1,000 will equal 2,000. Make sure it's big, bright and bold there. And in the 10,000 column, I've got 10,000, add no 10,000, that leaves me with 10,000. Go back from the right, count 3 places values to the left, 1, 2, 3. Put my comma in carefully. I've got 12,558.